Hello everybody, I hope you're all really well and taking care of yourselves and your family. It's week 9 already. So we've created some home learning this week, very much team orientated. They've all given me lots of stuff to put on here for you for your week ahead. So you're very familiar with your home learning. So week 9 this week, if we go in there, you'll see all the normal folders. Normal letter there. That we have with the BBC Bite Size on it, your maths, your home learning, and everything you need on there will tell you all the things, all the lovely activities that are planned for you this week. So we'll have a quick look in each folder and see which ones are. So English this week. Mr. Penfold has put you in a folder here this week, back into thinking about our Wind in the Willows and trying to think about placing yourself in the character of Rat. And he would like you to write a letter to Toad to try and convince him why he shouldn't buy a car. And he's given you lots of success criteria and things to think about while you're writing that letter. So a lovely thing to do to get back into Wind in the Willows. Have a quick look into maths next. White Rose Maths is all in there, all your lessons, all your answers. It's a bit of a refresh again this week. So looking at equivalent fractions and what we can remember. So all good refresher. I know you did perimeter and area last week, and that was all refreshers as we've already covered those in class. Maths activities this week. I've put in 2 things you might like to have a look at. Had lots of things from the emoji maths, that was quite good. So we've got some tricky treasure calculations as well. So looking at referring pictures to values and seeing what the outcome is, okay, when we add or subtract those things together. Okay, different value, different stars. So pick your level of challenge and see which one you'd like to do. VE Day. There's one here. It's all about a maths puzzle, and it gives you a bit of a trick at the end that you can try on someone else. You'll know the answer before you even start. Okay, and then it'll ask you to see if you can see any other patterns with maths calculations that you can do will always have the same answer. Okay, so if you want to have a go at that one, that's something you can have a look at. Spag. Let's have a look at Spag. Spag has got 2 mats in it today. One with your Spag mat, so looking at different areas of our punctuation and grammar, and then our spellings. So this is working around from the word centre on our 3-4 spelling mat and using those to work out your spellings and giving you different strategies to try and remember your spellings. Moving on to reading comprehensions. We'll go there next. 2 different reading comprehensions. One is a poem. I know you did a poem with Mrs. Lancaster last week, and this is a very famous poem called If by Rudyard Kipling. And the answers and the questions that you need to answer are on that page there. So you just need to open 2 files to have that one. This one's slightly different. This is on planet Earth. Okay, I know I've been doing lots of looking at the stars and the moon and things that have been happening because I've been able to have some late nights because we haven't had to get up quite so early in the morning. So there's some questions on planet Earth there for those of you who are astrologers and like to be things like that. Miss O'Donnell has put you on another geography lesson. So there's a nice little video from Miss O'Donnell, so you get to see Miss O'Donnell's lovely face this week as well, and she will go through your next features of rivers. There's some beautiful things about rivers of the world and rivers of the UK that we've seen come through, and that's been really nice. So keep it up, and so this takes you into the next stage of your geography learning. Science. Mrs. Lancaster has put some science on for you to do this week about all classification of certain objects. Okay, she's chosen Mr. Men, so you can have a look at those. And this classification really helps you when you get into year 5 and 6. It's something you need to be able to do, is to sort things into different areas, okay, or different types by what different characteristics they have. And that's something you'll build on all the way through your science learning. Okay, so that's all your work for this week. I hope you're all taking care, and I hope you're all looking after each other. We hope to see you very soon. I know talking to Miss O'Donnell and Mrs. Lancaster, having some lovely conversations on the telephones, and can't wait to see you all. Okay, keep up the good work, and we will see you very soon. Bye for now.